for watching our video. Today we're going to fly from BWI to NCO for our travel day to Disney World. We started our morning off with a 6 a.m. flight. We made sure to prep a bottle to be able to feed Jackson during the ascent and the descent of our flight to make sure he could equalize his ears properly. He was an angel baby and slept the entire way. Once we landed at NCO, we caught our shuttle and bus from Mirrors Connect over to Walt Disney World, where we were checking in at Port Orleans Riverside. As soon as we arrived at the resort, a cast member, Mallory, she was able to write Jackson's first visit pin and also put on the back what day it was, which was New Year's Eve, and that we were at Riverside. When we first got to the resort, we went straight for lunch, and then we kind of unpacked a little bit and then did a room tour and explored the resort before taking the ferry over to Disney Springs. So follow along for the rest of our travel day and be sure to catch on for the rest of the week to come.
This section is. Here's a pond, river. Looks like you are in the middle of the Mississippi. And then we're on the first floor because we have a stroller. And 28. We've done a little bit of unpacking, not fully. So we put the stroller there. There's Ben and the baby. Say hi, Jackson. It's his first trip. Already got his Mickey pin. It's kind of messy, but there's table. This is great wood. This pulls down as a trundle bed, but can be like a shoe bench. And then it's a trundle bed themed to Tiana. And I got the pack and play, and I brought my own crib sheets. We got 2 queen beds with a Mickey, of course. Painting of Tiana. This is a big fridge. It's not a beverage cooler. It's a full-size mini fridge. Got our milk for the baby in there. Have a coffee machine. Hook. This is the separation curtain with Princess and the Frog. And this is really great theming. There, and we have our travel kit station set up. Some good lighting in the bathroom with a double sink. And then a fun theming curtain in here for the kids' bath. And the bathtub looks like a wood sauna or something. Baby's talking. Hello. Hi, Jackson. Jackson's ready for his first Disney trip. Alright, have to admire our stroller set up. Look at this. Look at the baby. Just took a little nap. He just ate. And ready to go. I love the alligator bayou section. And it's a good walk into the main area. End of the walkway. To the left is Magnolia Bend and Old Man Island, and to the right is where the lobby is. Most people going on the ferries down there. The lodge is 28. Now let's go over this walkway.
I think that leads to the port.
Yeah, I think that's over where the fishing dock is too. Hammocks up here. This is so nice. We're coming back to stay here for a whole week in October, and we're so excited. Here's the fishing hole. The hours are only from 7 to 1:45. Last cast is at 1:15. It's only $6.39 per half hour. or $15.98 per half hour family special. There's bar, the pool.
Oh, let's go across here.
Where this is Boat Rides, which is a sit-down restaurant. It smells amazing out here. And those are the bus boats where you can get onto Disney Springs.
Oh my God, it's so
This quarter looks beautiful.
Then we will take the boat.
Welcome aboard Sassagoula River Cruise with service from Port Orleans Riverside down to the marketplace in Disney Springs. Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Thank you for sailing with us today. Please keep hands, arms, feet, and inside the boat at all times.
Welcome, watch your step, folks.
For an eagle or tight to a handrail or a seat back. Got me all clear.
Took Jackson to Boathouse. Took a little bit of bouncing, but he is quiet, and we get to enjoy dinner.